In this video, today we will talk about become a web and mobile app developer. Becoming a web and mobile app developer involves acquiring skills in both front-end and back-end development. Start by learning programming languages such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript for web development, and Swift or Kotlin for mobile development. Gain proficiency in frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue.js for web, and Flutter or React Native for mobile apps. Understanding databases and server-side languages is crucial. Build a portfolio by creating projects and contributing to open source. Consider formal education through coding bootcamps or computer science degrees. Stay updated with industry trends and continuously practice coding to improve your skills. Networking and internships can also aid in career advancement. 1. The basics of programming. The first step in becoming a web and mobile app developer is to understand the basics of programming. Start with a foundational programming language like Python, which is known for its simplicity and readability. Learning the basics of programming will give you a strong foundation and help you grasp more complex concepts later on. Focus on understanding variables, data types, loops, conditionals, and basic algorithms. Resources like Codecademy, FreeCodeCamp, and Coursera offer excellent introductory courses. 2. Choose your path. Web development or mobile development. While there are many overlapping skills between web and mobile app development, each path has its own unique technologies and frameworks. Web development involves creating websites and web applications that run in a browser. Mobile development involves creating applications for mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets. Decide which path interests you more, or consider pursuing both if you have the time and resources. Web development. If you choose web development, start with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML, hypertext markup language, is used for structuring content on the web. Mobile development. If you choose mobile development, you need to decide between iOS and Android development. For iOS development, learn Swift and the Xcode IDE. For Android development, learn Java or Kotlin and the Android Studio IDE. 3. Learn front-end development. Front-end development involves creating the part of a website or app that users interact with directly. For web development, continue building on your knowledge of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These tools help you build complex user interfaces more efficiently by breaking down your code into reusable components. For mobile development, if you're focusing on native development, you will use Swift for iOS or Kotlin for Android to build the user interface. If you're using a cross-platform framework like React Native, you'll be writing your UI in JavaScript, and JSX for Flutter, you'll be using Dart. 4. Learn back-end development. Back-end development involves creating the server side of a web application, which includes databases, servers, and application logic. Understand RESTful APIs and how to create them, as they are essential for communication between the front end and back end of your applications. For mobile app developers, understanding back-end development is crucial if you want to create apps that interact with web services or cloud-based storage. 5. Master version control with Git. Version control is an essential skill for developers. Git is the most widely used version control system. It allows you to track changes to your code, collaborate with other developers, and manage different versions of your projects. Learn the basics of Git, such as creating repositories, committing changes, branching, merging, and using platforms like GitHub or GitLab for collaboration and project management. 6. Build projects and create a portfolio. Building projects is one of the best ways to learn and demonstrate your skills. Start with small projects and gradually work on more complex ones as you gain confidence. For web developers, consider building a personal website, a blog, or an e-commerce site. For mobile developers, create simple apps like a weather app, a to-do list, or a note-taking app. As you build these projects, create a portfolio to showcase your work. A portfolio is a valuable tool when applying for jobs or freelance opportunities. It demonstrates your skills and gives potential employers or clients a sense of what you can do. 7. Learn about testing and debugging. Testing and debugging are crucial skills for any developer. Learn how to write unit tests, integration tests, and end-to-end tests to ensure your code works as expected. For web development, tools like Jest, Mocha, and Selenium are commonly used. For mobile development, explore tools like XCTest for iOS, Espresso for Android, and cross-platform tools like Appium. Debugging involves identifying and fixing errors in your code. Learn how to use debugging tools provided by your development environment, such as the browser developer tools for web development and the built-in debuggers in Xcode and Android Studio for mobile development. 8. Stay updated with the latest trends and technologies. The field of web and mobile app development is constantly evolving, with new frameworks, libraries, and tools emerging regularly. Stay updated with the latest trends and technologies by following industry blogs, participating in online forums, and attending webinars, conferences, and meetups. Join communities like Stack Overflow, Reddit, and GitHub to stay connected with other developers and learn from their experiences. Continuously updating your skills and knowledge will help you stay relevant and competitive in the job market. 9. Gain real-world experience. Real-world experience is invaluable for a developer. Look for internships, freelance projects, or part-time jobs to gain practical experience. Contributing to open-source projects is another great way to gain experience and improve your skills. It also demonstrates your ability to work collaboratively and contribute to a team, which is highly valued by employers. Consider joining hackathons or coding competitions. These events provide an opportunity to work on real-world problems, often under time constraints, which can be a great way to learn and showcase your skills. 10. Apply for jobs and keep learning. Once you have a solid foundation, a portfolio of projects, and some real-world experience, start applying for jobs. Tailor your resume and cover letter to highlight your skills and experience relevant to the job you're applying for. Prepare for technical interviews by practicing coding challenges and algorithms on platforms like LeetCode, HackerRank, and CodeSignal. Remember, learning never stops for a developer. Technology is always changing, and there will always be new languages, frameworks, and tools to learn. Keep challenging yourself with new projects, continue learning, and stay curious. Becoming a web and mobile app developer requires dedication, continuous learning, and practical experience. By mastering both front-end and back-end development, exploring native and cross-platform mobile app development, and gaining real-world experience, you'll be well equipped to build robust and user-friendly applications. Embrace the journey, stay curious, and keep honing your skills to thrive in the dynamic world of web and mobile app development. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.